Hello class, welcome you back to my English class. Now, let's review all vocabulary from previous lesson. Cô chào cả lớp nha. Bây giờ các em sẽ cùng cô ôn tập lại các từ vựng các bạn đã học buổi trước nhé. Are you ready? Okay, good. Here we go. Movie. Movie. What kind of movie do you like? What kind of movie do you like? Horror movie, horror movie, horror movie. The horror movie is so scary. The horror movie is so scary. Animated movie, animated movie, animated movie. My children really enjoy this animated movie. My children really enjoy this animated movie.
I often watch science fiction movies in my free time.
Science fiction. Science fiction. I often watch science fiction movies in my free time. I often watch science fiction movies in my free time.
Science fiction. Drama.
Drama. Drama. The drama is so interesting. The drama is so interesting. Comedy. Comedy. I sometimes watch comedies to relax at the weekend. I sometimes watch comedies to relax at the weekend.
We sometimes...
Action movie. Action movie. He is very famous actor in many action movies. He is a very famous actor in many action movies. Okay, now let's review all the words. Em đọc lại các từ cho cô nhé. Good movie. Horror. Animated. Science fiction. Drama. Comedy. Comedy. Action. Okay, that's great. Remember to write vocabulary in your notebook. Goodbye guys. Các em hãy nhớ viết từ vựng vào từ vựng của mình nhé. Tạm biệt các em nhé. See you again.